Hi, this is Zaf, and in this video we'll be looking at how to add a subdomain to Systeme and link it to our opt-in or landing page. At the end, I'll also be sharing a free resource which I think you'll find really helpful, so keep an eye out for that later on. In the meantime, let's get started. Okay, so here we are in my Systeme account, where I pronounce it. So if you go to settings, click on the profile picture, then settings, and then if we go down to domains, I think I need, and where is it? Custom domains, and then what we need to do then is click on add domain. So put my domain name, and then I'm going to put in opt-in. So this is going to be for my opt-in page, what I've created in the system. Opt-in, and my website domain, and click save there. It should then give us the settings. Here we go. So what we need to do now from here, need to create a CNAME for my website. So I need to copy this, highlight it, right click it and copy it, or you can just use the Control-C or Command-C to copy it. I need to go over to my SiteGround, so on my SiteGround account for Marketing Defender here. So I need to create a CNAME here, so click on CNAME and call it opt-in. That's the name of the subdomain, and it resolves to that. I'll leave the defaults there and click on create, and that's the first CNAME created. And then we'll go back to a Systeme account again, and right, so and then we need to click everything, I think, to the opt-in there, that bit there for the name. Go back to a SiteGround connection, and then we need to create another CNAME record here. Hold on, where's the thing gone? I'll go back. Back and click back. So I'll take the dot out of that because it's already got with it. This resolves to that one there, so I need to copy that. And paste that in there. Right, and then create a test our CNAME. So I've got to DNS Checker, just double check that checker. So we're looking for checking the CNAME and opt-in Marketing Defender.com. I think that's right. Yeah, and there you see you've got all the green ticks on it, so we know we've done it right. Yeah, looks all good. Don't have to worry about that. I'll get the odd one, but that looks good. Cool. Okay, so here we are back in my system account. At the moment it's still showing pending there, so usually it can take up to 48 hours, but it's usually not quicker than this. We'll check back in a bit. Alright, here we go. It's been about 20 minutes or so since added it in the subdomain, and you can see now it's actually showing ready to use. So first, before we can actually use it, I need to mark it domain as default, confirm it there, and then I need to go to funnels and just make sure it's selected in there as well. Yeah, but I did this previously actually, so that's saved there. And then we need to click on this to get our link and test it. So you can see now the link opt-in.marketingdefender.com. Click the link here, test it, paste that in there, and there we go. Let's see, that's actually worked. So that's how you add a subdomain and link it to your opt-in page. Now, I mentioned at the start there's a free resource for you, so if you look in the description below, you'll see a link to a free 7-day crash course that tells you how to make money with email marketing for beginners. Please like, subscribe and drop a comment below. Thank you for watching. See you next time.